Lipsticks. Lipsticks are defined as dispersions of the coloring matter in a base consisting of a suitable blend of oils, fats, and waxes with suitable perfumes molded in the form of sticks to impart attractive gloss and color when applied on lips. Lipsticks provide moist appearance to the lips to highlight or to make them attractive and also to hide defects. Ideal requirements for good lipstick are as follows. It should efficiently cover the lips with color and impart a long plastic gloss. It should be able to maintain the intensity of color without any alteration in the degree of its shade. It should be able to adhere firmly to the lips and should not provide any greasy appearance. It should possess good thixotropic properties so as to deposit the color with minimum pressure. It should show smear-proof coloring effect. It should possess required plasticity and must be able to maintain all the properties throughout its storage period. It should not be gritty. It should be safe and non-irritating to the lips. It should not result in blooming or sweating during storage. It should possess a pleasant fragrance and a good flavor. Formulation of lipstick. Wax mixtures. Wax mixtures are the solid components of liquid formulation and are mostly natural waxes. Hydrocarbon waxes is the good example. White beeswax forms the oily base in the formulation of lipsticks, compatible with vegetable, mineral, and animal waxes and can be molded into the required form. When used in concentration of more than 20%, it forms a dull film on the surface of the lips and the stick tends to crumble during use. It forms a base and is extensively used for entrapping castor oil. It has a good plastic property, can be readily deformed on warming, traditional stiffening agent for lipsticks and good base for formulation prepared by using mold. Mineral waxes, not widely used, replaced by microcrystalline waxes. Ozocarite wax, amorphous hydrocarbon wax obtained naturally from bioluminescent products available in hard as well as soft forms in various grades with melting point ranging between 56 to 82 degrees Celsius. Use in a concentration range between 3 to 10%. Sericin wax obtained naturally from bituminous products like the ozocarite wax. Melting point ranges between 60 to 75 degrees Celsius. Hard waxes used to impart the shape and hardness to the lipsticks. Candelilla wax obtained from Euphorbia cerifera and Euphorbia antisyphilitica family Euphorbiaceae in combination with beeswax gives the product a smooth and glossy appearance. Used to increase the hardness and melting point of the product either alone or in combination with the carnauba wax. Carnauba wax is obtained from an exudate Copernica prunifera. Melting point ranges between 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Provides an attractive luster to the product. However, it is immiscible with other waxes and remains as a separate solid phase due to its high melting point. Provide rigidity to the stick if used in modest proportion in order to ensure a high melting points. Hard paraffin is purified blend of several solid hydrocarbon bases that are obtained from petroleum. Its melting point ranges between 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. Limited solubility in castor oil and hence does not dissolve in it and may produce a greasy look. Used in very low concentration to improve the gloss of the finished products, imparts rigidity to the product. Microcrystalline waxes, hydrocarbons containing a long carbon chain, wide melting points ranging between 60 to 120 degrees Celsius, low solubility in castor oil, maintains the crystal structure of the lipstick and prevents sweating. Oil mixtures, Liquid components are mostly constituted by oils such as mineral oil, vegetable oil, castor oil, etc. Most commonly used liquid components are mineral oils, consist of a blend of hydrocarbons obtained from petroleum source, available as either light mineral oil or heavy mineral oil, mostly used in concentrations of not less than 5% in order to impart gloss to the product. Acts as lubricant and help in easy removal of the sticks from the molds. Do not turn rancid upon storage. Example is paraffin oil. Vegetable oil, sesame oil, almond oil, or olive oil. Low solubility towards staining dyes and hence rarely used. Castor oil obtained from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis. It forms a valuable lipstick base being used in concentration of 40 to 50% of the total formulation. It has high viscosity, good dissolving power, and is stable towards oxidation. Most compatible with other ingredients. High viscosity may avoid smearing of the lipsticks, also acts as a good plasticizing agent. Butyl stearates, useful for the dispersion of color, though possess low solubility but readily wets the colored pigments. These are odorless and free from rancidity. Propylene glycol, non-toxic and sweet in taste, good wetting property towards high coloring stains, always used in combination with other monoesters of propylene glycol. Bromo mixtures. Bromo mixture is a solution of staining dyestuff called bromo acid in the fatty material. Bromo acids are broadly classified into two types. Red bromo acids impart red or reddish blue stain. Orange red bromo acids impart pink to yellowish pink stain. Used in 2 to 3% concentration, dissolve in a mixture of castor oil and butyl stearate. Give an indelible stain to the product. Softening agents used to increase the spreadability by softening the lipstick. The most commonly used softening agents include anhydrous lanolin, also known as wool fat or wool, used at low concentration of 0.25% to impart gloss, softness, emolliency, and protection to the lips. Its melting point ranges between 36 to 42 degrees Celsius. Lanolin, also referred as hydrous wool fat, used in minor quantities in order to improve the covering properties of the film and to aid the dispersion of colored pigment. Contains 25 to 30% of water and may result in sticky and greasy products. Lanolin derivatives include ethers, esters, and lanolin oils. Almost non-drying and provide a non-greasy look to the film, used as a blending agent or plasticizers. Petrolatum, it is a hydrocarbon obtained from petroleum, odorless and tasteless, added mainly to enhance the gloss. Lecithin, used in minor quantities to impart smoothness and emollient effect. It increases the ease of application. Coloring agents. Color may be imparted to the lips either by staining the lip with dyestuff color or by converting them with colored layers. The colors used in the formulation of lipsticks are of two types. Soluble colors, dyestuff, which are easily soluble in oil, water, and alcohol. Insoluble colors, insoluble organic or inorganic pigments. Properties of coloring agents: should impart good opacity to the lips by imparting good color, should be easily and uniformly miscible with the oils used, must be certified with FD and C grade, should possess very low content of impurities such as arsenic, lead, etc. Commonly used colorants for lipsticks are carmine. It is obtained as carminic acid by the extraction of cochineal insects with ammonia. The carminic acid obtained is precipitated with alum, dried and used. Dye stuff stains Eosin dyes and provide a long-lasting effect on the lips. Eosin dye impart orange-red color to the lips. Acid eosin dye, it has orange color and may change to intense red color at acidic pH of 4. However, it causes allergic reactions or cheilitis when used along with bromo acids. Pigmented stains, either organic or inorganic pigments which form a dispersion in the solvent base, used in combination with metallic lakes in order to improve the intensity of the color. Lakes, the potential pigments of many of the D and C colors that are prepared by dissolving the colored pigment on aluminum hydroxide, barium oxide, calcium oxide, etc. These are used at concentration of about 8 to 10%. Pearlescent pigments, used to impart pearl-like appearance to the product when applied on the lips. Natural pearlescent pigment is guanine crystals obtained from fish scales. Bismuth oxychloride in 70% castor oil also provides lustrous look. Opacifying agents used for opacifying lipsticks also alter the basic shade of the pigment when used in varying proportions. Example, titanium dioxide. Perfumes, light floral and spicy fragrances can be used to mask the odor of the wax bases. Rose oil, cinnamon oil, lavender oil, etc. Fruity flavors that cover fatty odor of the oily waxes may also be used. These should be tasteless, non-irritating, and compatible with other constitutions. Preservatives used to increase the shelf life of the product by reducing microbial growth. Preservatives such as methylparaben and propylparaben are commonly used in concentration not exceeding 0.1%. Antioxidants, fatty ingredients used in the formulation are susceptible to rancidification. Antioxidants are added to prevent the oxidation of the ingredients. Examples of antioxidants: butylated hydroxyanisole, butylated hydroxytoluene, propyl gallate, tocopherol, butylated hydroxyquinones. Flavoring agents used to impart good flavor to the product. Spearmint oil, cinnamon oil are used as flavoring agents. Formula of lipstick. So this is the formula: castor oil 54 gram, anhydrous lanolin 11 gram, candelilla wax 9 gram, isopropyl myristate 8 gram, white beeswax 5 gram, carnauba wax 3 gram, ozocarite wax 3 gram, eosin 2 gram, lax 5 gram, rose flavor quantity sufficient, tocopherol quantity sufficient, and parabens quantity sufficient. Method of preparation: bromo mixture is first prepared by dissolving the dye stuff in suitable solvent, and this is set aside until required. Color mixture is prepared by dissolving the lake color in castor oil. The paste so obtained is passed through a triple roller mill to make it smooth and free from gritty particles. Titanium dioxide is also made into a paste in similar manner. The color mixture is then mixed with bromo mixture. All the waxes of the base are melted in their increasing order of melting points and mixed with color mixture and bromo mixture. This mixture is again milled to obtain fine smooth paste. Preservatives and antioxidants are dissolved in remaining oil and added to the milled mixture. Perfume is added to the mixture and mixed gently and thoroughly to avoid entrapment of air until the mass attains homogeneity. This is then poured into previously warm and lubricated molds at low temperature to prevent settling of colors. The molds are chilled to achieve contraction of the waxes and to facilitate easy ejection of the sticks. Packaging: lipsticks are usually packed in 5 to 6 gram packs in cylindrical and specifically designed containers, which aids in their application and protection. Lipsticks are molded by heating and cooled before being filled into small plastic cup or gourdet. The plastic cup or goblet is held in position by a plastic or metal case. The cup or goblet can be pushed out of the case and retracted into the case by means of a screw or push action. After retracting the stick, the case is sealed with a cap. Evaluation parameters of lipstick: melting point, breaking point, thixotropic character, microbiological test for the application force, surface characteristics, color dispersion, and stability. Thank you.